Okay, so you have gone through each and every recordings.
Yes, sure.
Okay, great, great. So, see, these are the curve creation option from any object. See, curve from object. So
Hmm.
there is a option extract ISO curve and extract wireframe. Both are shown here. See, so
Yes.
suppose if I'm creating such kind of shape, let me create some different shape, and so new option will be covered. Okay, so we have seen interpolate on surface. Is
Yes.
that curve interpolate,
Hmm.
control point curve, curve through points, handle curve. Okay.
Yes.
So now suppose if we need to create conical curve and a conical with perpendicular at start. See, there are two options, left click and right click. So if I want to create conical curve, so this is my conical shape. See, you need to specify your third point and then after it will create another curve. So this is very
Oh, nice.
fantastic option.
Okay.
So you cannot create any curve similar like this option. So conical
So,
curve is a very wonderful option.
but now I have another question.
Yes. Yeah, yeah,
What
please.
is the difference? What is the difference between the conic and when we choose the arc with the middle point? It's not the same
Arc.
result?
See, this is my third point. You need to create three points with like line, and
Hmm.
then you can set this curve as per your requirement.
Ah,
So see,
okay.
arc
It can
cannot
be
create
lower than the
this.
third.
Yes,
Okay.
arc cannot create this kind of shape. It's a part of a circle, so it's on always round. It cannot create conical shape.
Oh, okay. This one
See,
is like a
suppose
mountain, and the other one is
yes, yes,
okay.
yes. See, we cannot
Ah,
anyhow create this kind of shape.
understood. Okay.
It's conical, and if we are going to use this option, start and point on arc. So this is my start, and if I click on the same point, see this is my
Oh,
arc,
okay.
and this is conical.
Okay.
So
There
conical
is a
is
radius.
yes, always different than that option.
Okay.
I think this is for the ZBrush. Oh yes, I think I should discuss ZBrush with you because if you are adding ZBrush in your syllabus, we need to add in between this training because otherwise, ZBrush and Rhino are merging options. So you need to create something in ZBrush, then you can bring it into Rhino. Then again, both are merged syllabus. If you are
If
taking ZBrush
if
in your
it will
syllabus.
if it will be okay from your side, I would like to learn ZBrush as well.
Ah, yes, yes. ZBrush is necessary. See, if you want to
Okay.
create this kind of designs, let me show you.
But what is better for me? I know that it's like a baby steps, but um, the next
You are enough brilliant.
no, but the
From my
next
side,
step
your
the next
level is
the
good.
next the next step is better to learn Grasshopper or ZBrush.
See, as you have shared me few designs. Let me show you. Yeah, if you want to go with this kind of designs,
Hmm.
see. So
It's all
these all designs need ZBrush. See,
okay.
non this is organic shape. It's not
Okay.
non-parametric shape.
And
So it does not
sub-D
have any.
sub-D is
Uh,
not enough for this.
Sub-D is not matching because see, ZBrush having too many brushes. Sub-D is it's baby. It's right now it's baby.
Okay.
It will be developed in future after 2 or 3 years. They have been the option ClayU before, I think in Rhino 5. They have option ClayU, but it's not available right now in new versions, and they have adapted sub-D, but it will be developed. This is totally
Okay.
sculpting organic shapes. So the things are very different. So skin textures and all those things you need to create in ZBrush only. So you can adjust the
But
emotions. You can control all these settings, and it's also have some syllabus proper.
Wow, but I don't have any artistic base. I never learned.
No needed, no needed. You need
No?
knowledge of CAD. It will be created using CAD. I am also not means artistic base, but I by practice and by knowing the tools, you will be able to create this
Okay,
kind of
okay,
shapes.
okay. So,
So whenever you need to create this kind of designs, it's combination. See, I am creating this face in ZBrush. This all the see, it's not dimensionally. See,
mhm.
it's never dimensionally. It's organic. Then after I need to adjust this shape on ring. Then I need to add diamond cutters. Then I will bring it into Rhino and combine both the shapes.
And it's a real model that you can make by gold or silver after that, or it's only
Definitely, this is for that. Otherwise, what is
oh, okay.
the use
It's
of
not
this?
like it's not like a animation for showing in a website or something.
You can also use for that. This is always use this kind of CAD. Uh, I will convert these CAD models into some more mesh models,
Okay.
and then I will use for rendering.
Okay.
So
But
this
it can be
the
for
same
for a
model will
real
be.
it can be for
Yes.
a real jewelry as well.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
perfectly dimensionally with the some specific size. I think this is for US 7 number. I think
Oh,
everything is defined in US 7. So this ring rail size is US 7.
wow.
The diamond size are specific. It should be between 1 mm to 2 mm. All the
Wow. I
from
I
smaller to bigger
wish
diamond.
I wish that I could do something
Yeah,
like that.
definitely, you are able to learn. That's why I'm asking. If I feel that you are not able to learn, I will not ask. I will show you some reasons that I don't have time or something. But you are pretty talented, so you will be able to learn.
And from the time aspect, it's okay from your.
Yours, it's 8 January. From me to go. Then extract. ISO curve you have already seen. Extract wireframe. Okay, you have the question why these two are different. These two curves are different. Okay, let me show
Mhm.
you. Put it at 90 degree. And now see, if I have open surface now, I can do extrude curve. See, this is my extrude curve, and I can do extrude. So my curve has been extruded. See, now if I'm using here. Let me hide this cow, which I have used for creation. I am using extract wireframe. Got it? This is my extract wireframe.
Yes,
And
yes.
I am clicking on this surface and I have used done, means enter. So this is my
Okay.
wireframe. And if I'm using extract ISO curve, see, I'm selecting this surface, same surface. See, this is the new curve which
Okay.
this model is going to create. So see, the curves are different. You cannot extract this kind of curves using extract wireframe.
Okay.
See,
But after
even
after
okay,
after after doing the ISO curve on the surface, when I'm using the extract wireframe, it will give me all the lines on the surface.
overall boundary of the model. See, suppose I'm going to use this cylinder,
Mhm.
and now I'm using extract wireframe. See, it's overall boundary.
Okay.
And if you want to create any in between extra curves, see, these are the normal fixed shape. See, I can copy and I can use this like this kind of curve. I can create similar curve because it's
Ah, yes.
simple straight shape.
Mhm.
But if I'm using, okay, let me show you one cage edit. So there is one command that is called cage edit. Okay. So in cage edit, these are the options to create editing box, means editing cage. It will create cage. If you want to create rectangle, if you want to create box, or there is something line from this point to this point, you can edit with the line. But for right now, we are just checking bounding box. You need to continuously create all these options until it will asking for the finish. So this is the coordinate system. By default, you need to use world coordinate system. This is the point cloud system, and this is the degrees. We already have discussed for the degree. You need to change curvature way. You need to use 3 degree. And if you want to edit in a linear way, means line way, so you
Okay.
need to
Yes.
use 1 degree, 1 or 2.
Okay.
So 3 is for the curve. You can also use 4 degree. And this is list of points. Let me use right now 444 cloud system. Then now I'm going to press done option from my system and see region to edit. For right now, we are using global system. It will only change the orientation of the points, nothing else. So you can by default use global. Okay. So now see, it's four
On four.
row in 4 columns in X, 4 columns in Y, and C. Rows are four. So it's four,
Mhm.
four, four. We have seen already that this is X4, Y4, and Z4. So
Okay.
you can also change them, select. Okay, if by accidentally I have escaped, I have pressed accept, escape button, it is
Mhm.
now turned off. You can use F10 button from your keyboard, F10, or use this option for turning off. Again, select, and you can also turn on your control points. So you can access from there.
Ah, it's the same. Okay.
Yeah. Now, if I have used these 4 points, and I have just scaled the middle portion, I have raised the middle portion. So
Okay.
now, if I'm just hiding this cage, and now if I have extracted ISO curve, see, now this curve cannot be generated
It will
without
be
extract
different.
ISO curve option. You cannot use uh, extract wireframe option to create any middle curve. This can be only possible with the extract ISO curve. Got the
Okay.
point?
Yes.
Extract wireframe will create only boundary curves.
Mhm.
So with the alter option, you cannot create new. It will only create similar. But
Okay.
see, the flat portion have this option available, but this kind of option would not
Because it's
helpful.
in
Yes,
with
yes, it
different
will.
heights.
Yes, it will only created with this option. Extract
Okay.
ISO. Okay.
Okay. Great.
So next is duplicate border. So
Mm.
if you want to duplicate any border, this particular border, you need to extract. This is also duplicate border, but by option one by one, you will have the different outputs. See, suppose I'm using the same option, duplicate border. So I'm selecting this option. See, duplicate border is not working. For 3D model, we can use duplicate face border. So at some points, we need only this round curve. For this particular case, we can also use duplicate edge, dupe edge,
Okay.
and click on that edge. So you will have the extra curve. And if you have used dupe face border, means you can type command dupe face border and directly click on any face. So we'll also get the new curve.
Okay.
But let me show you some cuts and everything. So suppose I have box and let cut that portion. Now use Boolean difference. So select, enter, delete input yes, select, enter. So now at this moment, I can use duplicate edge. to create only edges which I needed perfectly. Got it? Now
Okay.
I
Yeah, yeah.
can use for further operation or further work. I can
Oh,
create any surface. I can paste diamond on that. I can also go back to that original position. So this can be possible. Okay,
and
but
duplicate
you,
border is not working on it?
yes, face border means need. Still, it's working. Let me adding more complex way. Okay, if I'm using here duplicate face border, see on single click it will extract all the borders in single click. In duplicate edge, you need to click each and every edges.
What is the difference between edge and border?
See, I have to click each and every border which is required,
Okay.
and this is click created with the single click, and it is also joined. This is unjoined.
Okay.
Got the point? See,
Yeah,
I'm
but
applying.
there is a different meaning of edge and different meaning for border. It's not the same.
No, see, face border means this is my face border. It will directly extract all the face border of the entire face. And in duplicate edge, we can only choose our required edges.
Okay. It's the same, but it's just the way you
Yes,
select it.
optional. This is optional. We can select our options.
Oh, okay.
But
Okay.
in
Okay.
this option, in face border, we don't have option to select any particular edges.
Okay.
We
Understood.
suppose if I have extracted this, I have used this option. Now I need only these two edges. We have to explode it and delete unnecessary edges. So this way we have to just do. But with the duplicate edge, we can select only two edges, and it will work.
Okay. Great.
Okay, so duplicate face border, duplicate border. So these are the very important options. Have you seen project and tool before?
It's to project curves on surface on a face of
Yes.
uh,
And pull?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Extract wireframe, duplicate face border, dup edge. See, things will be helpful in future when we are creating jewelries. So these all the commands are really very wonderful. So once we are starting creating jewelries, na, this will be you will understand the difference of according to different designs.
Great.
Duplicate face border, duplicate edge, extract surface. Okay. If you want to extract any extra surface, see, I have extracted some curves, and there is also surface option available. Where is surface? Yeah, this is surface modification tool. See, this is curve extraction options. Curve means this is very advanced option for curve creation, getting extra curves from the objects. And this is
Okay.
also very wonderful option to modify surface, modification on surface. Have you know each and every options here?
I think maybe there was like a blend surface or something. Yeah, I think only blend surface.
Okay, okay.
And offset surface.
Offset surface is really helpful for the adding weight to your thickness, means adding thickness. So suppose if you have this kind of open curves, how will you connect them?
Um, with um, You are looking for something sophisticated, because I can do it with with single lines, but
Oh, then
I don't
see,
have
right now you don't have to use that options. I have shown you. Use connect.
connect. Okay.
Got it? So click here, and click this open ends. So it will now get
Okay.
connected automatically.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me write again. So now next time you have to answer
Connect.
perfect. Okay. Now, okay, let me take you to some other options as well. I should
But
not consider that.
it always will be, if I using connect, it always will be tangent to each other.
Yeah, it should be planar, means it should be on same curve, then only it will work.
Okay.
The curve should be
I will
planar.
try.
It should not be, see, kind of this is little bit up and down. We can see
Hmm.
it's on planar, but there could be possibility that it could be on up and down portion. So if it's planar, connect command will work.
Okay.
Okay, so if any curves is going like that this way, and I need to merge these two curves in proper way, means proper tangency options, what will you do?
Blend curves.
Check blend curve.
I feeling that it's the wrong answer.
Let's check. No, it's good. We can adjust. It's already blend curve, so you know adjustable curve blend. You can adjust your curves points. See, these are the options. As means, if you go to curvature option, it will add another point for adjustment. If you are going for G3 option, it will add one more point for the adjustment. And it will also going to change according to tangency, curvature, and all this sequence as shown here. So if you have tangency, you will have only 2 points. You can adjust your curve's tangency. Okay, you know this option now?
This one, yes.
Yeah, it's actually only not blend curve. It's called adjustable blend curve. This is very wonderful option, adjustable curve blend. Okay,
Okay.
so suppose if you are using here, it will see automatically have all automatically created adjustable curve blend. This is very
Mm.
fantastic option. See, it's now smooth. For this, we have to use match option. Match. See, because the ends are not good properly to matching each other. So that's why match will what will do match? It will change end of second curve according to first curve.
Ah,
Got it?
okay.
So match, I'm clicking this curve first and here second. So see,
Oh,
according to tangency, let's make it to position and
okay.
then average curves. Got it? Then you can adjust your fillet here. So it's actually depend on a shape, but this is currently solution. Okay, it's not big enough. So let me use 10. Still it's,
Okay.
yeah,
So
got it.
we have connect, adjustable blend curve, and what it
Match.
was, the match. So adjustable blend curve will always be better than just blend curve.
It's depend on situation.
Okay.
Sometimes match works fine. Sometimes adjustable curve works fine. Sometimes we have to
Okay.
create a new curve. There is also one another option. Let me match adjustable blend. And sometimes there is also another option. how it's remain planar. Now see, suppose if I want to connect this circle to here, what we can do? See, this is my first and this is my second point. If I want to connect this curve to here, which is the
There
best
is
option?
something like a extract arc or
Extract.
yeah, there's something that you can continue the arc. There is a tool that no
Okay, let's come here. It's extend curve.
extend curve. Okay.
Yes. So this is first option is extend curve, and you can
Mhm.
click here, then enter, click the end of this portion, and you can drag anywhere you want to. But it's going according to its curvature. See, it's not
Yeah,
matching there.
according to the
See,
first one.
yes. So for right now, let's undo. Now again select that curve option, extend curve by arc.
Yes,
Now we can
that's what
use
I meant.
this option by arc to point. See,
Okay, I meant to this one. Yes.
okay. So this will go directly.
Great.
Got it? So this
But
is
it's
extend.
not keeping the it's but we need to remember that it's not keeping the original radius, right? Because they
Yes,
are
yes,
not.
yes. It. But I have not also used proper distance, so that's why it
Okay.
will not maintain.
Okay.
So for such shapes, we can also use extend curve with, okay, only simple extend curve, extend curve, extend arc with point. This is very useful option. Let me show you a few remaining options in that extend by line. So if you have this arc, you can create with the line. See, it's linear.
Okay. hmm
You can also extend curve with by arc. This is normal. This is extend curve. This is by arc. So if you have clicked here, and you can also see it's not again matching here. So arc will be continued.
Yes.
There is not much bigger extend curve option. Type neutral. So let me use here. It's neutral. Let me use smooth. Now done. Click end option and you can, it's only smooth option available. It's almost same, like extend arc and extend smooth, first option.
Okay.
So now let's use arc with center. So when we are using this option, it will
hmm
ask for the center. See, it's center of the arc extension. So suppose if I'm clicking here, this is my center. Now it
hmm
will create a arc according to that
Uh,
center. Correct.
okay.
So
Nice.
this is specific option.
And it's
See,
more lit.
knowing, yes, yes. Knowing option is good, but you need to specify it. You need to use
Again.
while you are creating design. So
Mhm.
first you need to practice this.
Okay.
Extend arc with specified center. Extend curve. Extend. I think extend curve line to line with line. I think it's extend by line. Yeah. Okay, I was here. It's arc blend. There is also one option, arc blend. So arc
Okay.
blend is also used for merging two curves. So suppose, let me hide this. Three, again, three. Okay. Okay. See, if the both the lines are not aligned, means not perfectly aligned. So go to the right view or something, this kind of perfect view, and
Mhm.
go to this option. See, here is align. So which option should I select from this?
Align vertical centers.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay. So, see, I'm going to use arc blend. Let
Okay.
me type arc blend. So, first curve near end, second curve near end. Got it?
Okay. Mhm.
This is arc blend.
Okay.
I think this is fantastic option. It's also
They are
useful.
all okay.
Okay, so you know the align options now. Align with
A
the
little
top,
bit.
align
Yes.
left, right, center, horizontal centers, and distribute perfectly. So you know this option, distribute objects.
No, but it's like keeping the same distance.
Yes, but how we will use that?
I don't know.
Okay, use extend cover line,
It's
arc.
it's it's work a little bit like array along curve that it's keep the same distance.
No, no. See, there are three objects, and
Mm-hmm.
randomly I have set them. And now, if you want to put them perfectly at equal distance,
Mm-hmm.
so you can use that option, align distribute.
Okay. And the distance is between their centers?
No, end to end. You can also specify with the centers.
Ah,
Let me
okay.
show you. Align center horizontally. Now align top right. You know these options? Align right.
Yeah, I think so. I just need to practice it a little bit, but I think that it's
Okay.
very clear by the picture of the command.
And now you want to make this rectangle. This is now curvature. You want to make this
Mm-hmm.
rectangle. What will you do?
Project.
Okay. And there is also another option that is called set XYZ coordinates.
Ah, okay. I know this one.
Okay. So you can untick these options. Okay. And click here. So it will also create new copy. We can also
Okay.
use new copy for our closing. So turn on this copy option and click here.
Mm. Ah,
So it will
nice.
create new copy. So this is called set XYZ coordinates. You need to understand which coordinate system is which direction you are
Mm-hmm.
picking up.
According to the sequence.
No, means you have. I have just checked one option. See, this I have. So I must know this is my Z, this is my Y.
Mm-hmm.
So accordingly, that it will create shape. Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
in this direction, it will create another rectangle. So suppose if I'm using set Y instead of set Z, it will create in this direction. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
And if I'm using another direction, so it will create another way.
Okay.
So it's depend on which direction you have used. So in this way, I can see this shape. Got it?
Yes.
In this direction, I can see this shape. So
Mm-hmm.
it's depend on a direction, which direction you want to create.
And the number of the points will be the total of all. Um, you you understand what I mean? It's
No,
it's 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 like taking all the points of the shape and move it to the same planar, or
it's like orthographic view, orthographic view.
okay.
So if I am
Ah,
going to use right view, so in right view I can only see this shape.
mhm.
I can see orthographic means projection. It's kind of projection.
Okay.
Whatever the shape is there, but if I'm going to view from this direction, I can only see this shape in this wireframe view.
Ah,
Means
okay, okay. So the this command, it's not moves the points. It just give you like
new curve, yes, new
okay.
orthographic curve of the
Oh,
shape.
oh, 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 okay, okay, okay.
Uh,